Welcome back to Learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. In case you missed the previous episode, you should watch that first, since the thrust kick sets the stage for more advanced kicks.
Hello, welcome you all to the next lesson. I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and I have a student Ganesh to help us demonstrate the rib-shattering roundhouse kick of Muay Thai. Yes, you heard it right, shattering the ribs. This rotational movement of the leg can shatter the ribs or can even cause a breakdown on the jawline when hit to the face. We will today learn how to perform the roundhouse kick. Before we go to performing the kick, let's see how we can come into the formation of the kick first, for which we need to focus on the balance. So from the square stance, you will have to first practice. From the square stance, you'll have to first practice raising your knee above your waistline, slightly being in the 45-degree angle. You need to practice this as the first step, where you learn to balance, also at the same time strengthen the upper leg and the calf muscles. Right, that will be the first step. You need to practice this on both the sides. Let's go. 1, you hold for 5 counts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you go for the other side again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, you need to do many repetitions till you feel you're strong enough in maintaining your leg and staying on the ball of the foot all the time. Let's try to practice again. Alternate 10 repetitions each side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you have now done is you have taught your leg how to open the movement that ends in becoming a roundhouse kick. So the beginning movement, as you know, is 1, bringing your knee up in the 45 degree. The second movement is developing balance by bringing the knee parallel to the ground. This is halfway of your kick. You need to learn to balance in this position, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go back again. Again, position 1, and then position 2, balance. You be here. Try to stay flat-footed in the beginning. As you feel stronger, you can raise up on the ball of the foot slightly and try to develop more balance. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, while you are exercising and teaching your lower body how to develop balance, you need the support of your upper body as well. So one hand by rule would be on the guard, one hand would kick back. The hand that is on the leg side would kick back this way, kick back. Other hand would be on the guard. So this is the second position. The third position is the completion of the kick, where the kick would pass through like this. You would finish by giving the full turn, but if the opponent is in front of you, you still would be looking at him and you would never take your eyes off the opponent. Right? You never show your back. Ready? Coming into position again from the square stance. First position 1, second position 2, third position 3. Right? Let's other side now. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's see how we can let that flow. That will make the kick go for a proper swing. Now this will do at a low level. Let's say at your waistline level. Okay? Ready, Ganesh? Come into fighting stance now. Low level kick. Okay? 1, turn, 2, 3. Now go for the swing now. Low level swing. 1. Yes. So now you're combining all the 3 steps into one. That makes the complete kick. You can now watch it again. 1. Good. 2. Very good. 3. Most important point here. You need to turn the knee and tuck your hip in. You cannot have the hip exposed outside. That will again make the knee open. This way you can't complete the kick. So you need to tuck your hip, your knee become parallel to ground, and now you can finish the kick. Let's go back again. 1. Beautiful. 2. Very good. 3. 4. And that's 5. So this is how you begin to practice the form of roundhouse kick. The target area the area where you would land the kick would be the midsection. It could be anywhere under the armpit up to your pelvic girdle. This entire section can be the target area for the roundhouse kick. Now we'll see the actual roundhouse kick slightly above your waistline. Okay, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, good, 4, 5. Well, if that was too fast for you, let's go a bit slow, Ganesh. 1, swing, 1, yes, 2, 3. I hope everybody could follow that. That would be the mid-level roundhouse kick to the body, and the main target of attack would be the rib cage or the arms on the outside. The second level of the roundhouse kick would be to the head. The same way of forming the kick would be the same, but the level of attack would be at the torso. Ready? Finish. Come into fighting stance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and go 10. Oi. That would be the roundhouse kick to the head, where takedowns happen. So that's how you perform the roundhouse kick. I hope you learned the lesson. Please don't forget to like and share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we look forward to the next video. Thank you.